so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to leave.
Alright, yeah, my people, welcome back to the channel. I don't know. This morning we're there. Another adventure. This morning we're out there with a solo survival adventure. You know. Yeah, man, this morning we're here. We are going on the hills. I only have my slingshot, the machete. I don't have no lighter. No, not like that. The only thing I have is I have my the flint and I have a piece of paper towel. So that's the only source of ignition for today. You know. So today what I do is I go ahead, I challenge myself today to go ahead and find something to eat out in the wild. Either I will find like some wild cocoa, I will find some wild yam. Something out there we are going to try see if we can go ahead and hunt two birds same while we're there. I try to do the whole solo surviving out in the wilderness. So the only thing I have, I'm showing what I have. When we reach further up on top, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see what they in the backpack. Yeah, man, so we don't have no water either, you know. Go ahead and walk with an empty buckle as you can see. Yeah, man, empty buckle. So hopefully I go past the spring. So I do me like catch some water and I don't really have full the buckle of water still because I don't really want to have too much weight. Because eventually we will go ahead and we will get too jelly on the way, same way. So now just stick and see what you are going. Hopefully we catch even one bird. So we can go ahead and have that to eat with whether the cocoa or the wild yam. Same way. Or even if you know we could have go ahead, we probably find all one breadfruit in the wild, same way, because breadfruit tree in the bushes and so same way. So you can see what you are going. I get the machine sharpen up, that's if we have to cut way through now. So what you are going. I get the machine sharpen up, you know. As I say, when you reach up on the flat, you go ahead, make one see what go on in the bag. Yeah, man. You only have the recording gears and so in the bag, you know. You know. So the mission is solo, we have to make sure so we go ahead and we have a couple items well in the bag where you know we can set up more than one camera, same way while we're in for the bush to get more on one different angle. So we just watch our my people and say we are with this. And we are really confident. Definitely I go find provision to eat with the yam, the cocoa or the breadfruit. If you all know me, you all know say most of you that think say you don't say crazy a fan of them rubber there. Right now my people are bigger than fun right now. Me a fun for too long now, me a AC you know. Yeah man, so me is a AC of them rubber here right you know. The past one stage long time. So them rubber here kinda work perfectly fine for me because of the whole situation with the wrist here. So that's why I use them kind of rubber here. So you can appreciate the day when time you get introduced to them rubber here. You see me? So right about now me here. I have to go easy on the talking you know and start search the area and start look for birds for hunt you know. So alright guys, man, so I've reached around by the falls where I've seen this falls in several of my previous videos, you know. And if you're new to the channel, well, you just I'll go ahead just figure it and see the falls. So I head my way to the falls so y'all can have a better view of what going on. Yeah, man, so if you all want to go ahead and make a trip to the falls, yeah, man, you can go ahead, you can link me up. I'm going to leave a number down in the description down below, you know. Or you can check in the about section for the channel. Or right at the starting of the video. So here the falls. I'll go ahead, I'll go on the other side now, you know. Can go ahead and have a look at what's going on, you know. Guys, man, so I make way to the spring and I don't forget the water. So we can head off to the next direction now, because we head one way we don't get nothing. Look at this. Fresh, pure, clean spring water. So I go ahead and I go pull up my back here now, so watch how I go. So yes, my people, watch it go on now. I go ahead, I get little water to wet up my mouth, you know, because you don't know. Water we have on really to quench thirst, you know. I just keep it going through the adventure. Yeah man, so you know, I just drink for probably like about 2, 3, 4 rounds. And then you just know, say, that's supposed to hold up here. You do probably another mile or another 2 miles or a mile and a half up in the hills, you know, because as I tell you, say, we're upon hunting, survival. So if it's even water we have to go use today for survive out today, because I realize say this start the mission without no water, no food, no nothing, you know. So peeps, even if we not get nothing, even if we not go ahead and we not shoot nothing, mango season. So we find one mango here already. So this will be a source of survival. Yeah. Two, three peck kind of, but then I sit down a good place. So yes, my peeps, look what I go on now. No? If you all can see, you notice how much feet we there above sea level, you know. Yeah man. Actually right now I look at my yard way down there, so if you notice how far I left from come way in the hills of the survival or hunt and see whatever I can catch in the day, you know. Right now the survival mission, and so far we come like hell now. I don't really go ahead and catch anything yet, you know, but I do just make swag go on still. I go ahead and get the drone up in the air. I couldn't swag go on. So just stay tuned. Watch how go on, man. So I'm boat there. We out there so in the water, you know. I'm on a boat there. Out in the water. Go up on the deep. Come on. People see that. Yeah, man, them places we dive at daytime, you know. I'm sure how far from land there. Yeah, man, that's how far from land it is where we dive at daytime, you know. Yeah, man, down this how we call Broad Rock. Way down this how we dive at daytime from all the way from way up here, so. And check the distance from right there. So this is how we part the boat standing. And we have this whole long swimming from there, so come all the way down until we reach there, so yeah man, after we leave there, so now my people swim come all the way in to right down here, so I open all, just have a look and see the distance and the journey where we have to swim at daytime. Yeah man, so I'll go ahead and get the drone up in the air, gonna see what I go on.
She's calling me like
Yeah, my people, as you can see from the shot of the drone before, earlier on, I don't know. Yeah, man, so right now, I'm there. Whole heap of miles, whole heap of feet above sea level, you notice? Yeah, man, look at that. Right now, you have a good view of the sea right around, my people. You see me? You have a 180-degree view of the sea right across. So right about now, I'm there. Just I couldn't have a look at what I'm going, because right now we are going to head deeper on up in the hills. See whatever we can find, said we, You see, up to now we don't find nothing to eat as yet. The only thing we have now one mango. That's so the only thing we have right now if we consume our mango. So we still have to try see if we can find no yam, no cocoa, no bird. Same way. But you just stay tuned and watch how I go on. But there I deal with some hunting same way, so stick and stay my people. Further on up in the hills you go see there. The road that we go up in the bush area, so. But there I go on, do my best and see whatever I can find. So hopefully I'm just go and pray so we catch something on the way while we are on. So stick up. Right now I turn back. The bird them are hide. Very close the bird them are hide. The bird them are hide close. And them are hide at some place where you least expect them for there. See me? I hear a couple of them fly up. Couldn't be able to see them because I said them are hide very close in the bush. And when I walk, no one I say, I search, see if I see them in the close area of them. And now I really see them on as fast as they give up my guard. That's when I hear them fly out. Oh, junk for that. Yeah, that's when I hear them fly out, but nevertheless, I go down to another spot now where more than likely, I'm sure if I find at least one car. If I realize I now go ahead to get no whole heap of chance to shoot off and none still in my people. Okay. Now I really get no chance to shoot off and none, so more than likely I just a mango I have to go consume today and water and probably one jelly. We actually survive out the day. But nevertheless, at least we not drop dead on a mission, because we have something we can consume to give us the strength and the ability to go through and still on same way, because we left here this morning from 9 o'clock and now at almost 3:30 right now. So we just go and search same way, see if we can find nothing, if we can bing up on a one bird same way, and then do I go on. Probably I have to go turn on the slingshot for one of them there. You see me? Yeah, probably I have to go shoot one of them there and make it dinner. Right? So watch how I go on sooner when we reach in the another area. So alright my people, watch how I go on now. Some cocoa right there, so what I do is I go ahead, I try see if I can dig a cocoa. I'm not going to try dig out all of them. So I have to try see if I can find a suitable one I know. It's like all the big one up there, so the one I'm going to try deal with and see if I can go ahead and I can find a big cocoa and there are two cocoa we can roast, You see, ever hear them say you ever feel a granny roast cocoa? Right now today we are going to my peeps, so watch how I go on now. Try go up top side and all we can go ahead and we can rock them out. Only hopes of survival today. have to go try another one because more no really depend on the one. Huh? So you know nothing really go on pan so you can't really left it out of the ground, you know, we have to put it back in the ground so next time. Yeah, man. Piece of yam and one of my people. Like a piece of rent of this. So I'm going there. Right. Dinner is served. Yes, people. Dinner is served. Put on one piece. One of the big piece right side here. You can go big out. Next piece of it gone no further because I don't know, I don't see it start change color yet. But nevertheless, check on the back again. Anytime, when time I reach to take it out, check on the back again. So guys, what you going on now? You see if the machete we don't have or use to try to dig the yam now work out. Best thing you can do is cut a piece of stick, get it sharpened and use that for on a digger. Work perfectly fine. Better on the machete too. Whew. My peeps. Can't believe them nice content I have sit down a yard. Force them can get up the hell out of the house. And come make video for no get to watch. So this is the piece I go consume in the day. I go roast. Alright. So I get one more piece left just to dig out now. Oh my god, man, hear it crack, man. Just the tail light pop off, you know. Yeah, okay. But nevertheless, go for it still because I really want a big piece, so it's one little small tom. See that? Never really not much. But anyways, you have to make sure not more left there. Alright. After that. So watch how I go on my feet. I want to know me already, you know. You go ahead and if it was possible for we to get this today, we will make it possible so we can get it another time. So we will make sure so we plant back the head of them down in the whole same way. Then we will make sure we get back the head of them down in the hole, you know. Just like that. It's not like some have something we can something in with people. But we can dig a hole and we can plant them separately. We don't have that. So basically just have to drop them back down in the same hole. So we dirt them back and up. Basically I eat that, you know, my people. So I just watch where I go on and I will go ahead and I will get fire light up right away. Right out we want to look out and get this up and running. So soon we want to look out. Yeah man, so as I walk I go towards the lookout. I gather up some stick in a just for I do the double walk. Yeah man, so as you can see my people just do the hard work and put in a little while for go ahead and find something for consume, you know. So right about now, I have another task to go through, you know. You see the one I know? One I know with the fire. Yeah, because remember me tell you, we don't have no source, nothing to light fire other than from we just a little what name there? Just a little what thing name again? We like a flint. So to prevent bushfire, I go right down outside in the clear road spot, right in the middle of the road. Just to prevent the bushfire. So anything when I done, I can go ahead and out the fire right from out in the middle of the road. So bush this now, we don't really want a bushfire. So I will just stop right there so and deal with it in the middle of the road. So yeah man, people. Roast them in idea. I have a little piece of butter in my bag in the car. So I don't really want just the dry yam, I want a little butter with it. But guess what I'm going to be with downfall? No little leaf. So we see how they plate that. But them place don't look like them. And carry something there and you never call to mind. I'm going to bring a cocoa leaf from up there so you know my people. I'm going to bring a cocoa leaf from up there so. say we just have to do this to prevent bushfire. So that's why we are get the fire right in the midst of the road right there. So alright my people, so this is how we fire start now. So I'm going to scrape down some down on a paper towel. So you know when time we go ahead and get there. One ignite there. We have enough down there to start a blaze. Yeah man. Oh my god. Want some small one pan it quick and fast if we catch a blaze before the if we catch up before the something there the paper towel burn out, you know. Come, catch up. It's hungry, I go kill me. Catch up. Do catch. Please me, I beg you. Catch up. Please. Alright my peeps, I'm glad what we're sketching on. I don't know what I made this still fire off a catch. Despite all our going. So yes my people, as you can see now, we are do it 100% honest. We not cheat the system, you know, we not cheat the game. So you see, we go ahead, we start with nothing else but the fire starter and piece of paper towel. So we just go ahead and we are do it basic. 100% survival we are deal with it. Yeah man. I think I gotta do some of them survival like when time it a rain to make it more even interesting and intense way. You know we have to start up fire in the rain same way. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see videos like them there, you know. And remember to like up the video my people. Drop some likes on the video. Plus me there here and I feel my sugar level I get low, you know. So I don't know. The only source of sweetness we have are the mango here. Once I pick up from earlier on in the video. Yeah, I never really did eat the mango from earlier on because true me I say I wait till when time the sugar level gone way down. And I kind of get dizzy out because you know we are going to sweat a whole lot and we are going to need to rise up back the sugar level while source of water alone we dehydrate same way. It's because our body lose salt and water same time, so we have to take in water alone. Now go really work out. So now at the time I have to go in for the mango right now. You see me? Yeah man. Alright. You know me that manage if me never take up the mango. Yeah. Hey. See how the fire catch up then? Time for me go get on the yam on the fire now. So yes my people, future. Yam on the fire. Solo survival out here in the hills, miles from mainland. Yeah man, roast some yam, fresh from under the ground, straight to the fire. I go eat with piece of butter. Alright, yeah man, my people, so what y'all go on, I go ahead and give this a turn now, you know. If I notice you cover it like when you roast breadfruit, you know, because you don't want to roast quick and fast. Because it's time I run out for away. I'm almost 5 o'clock now. So I get the one running now. We soon can go ahead and test it with the knife and now. Should be knife down the knife to see if it has swooped through. So now just go and watch the whole process how I go on now. Come on, see that. I'm going to roast them in idea with some butter. Then I go some bombs. Get a one jelly on the way going down if you find none. Yes my people, so what you are going on, I go ahead and I go test it with the knife now. See how it stay, how it work out now, because I don't know. The knife for the tester now. So seems as if you want to soak some more, so what I do, boil some whole night so it can easily, the steam can penetrate the night, they cook inside it, you know. Yeah man. So yes my people, I get it off of the fire now. See man? Yeah man, so about now. I couldn't show how I go on now. So yes my people, watch how I go on now. This is a plate for today now. What I go do now is this. I bust the yam down. Make it in a two. Yeah, I'm going to second myself now and take one up now. Now I scrape it or nothing, I'm just bust it down the middle just like so. See me? A little piece of the butter. Make it slide down the gutter. You see me? Then you know, as I consume this, I head off on the street because they're a couple miles away from home, you know. And it's a long walk home. You see me? Come in, because you know how hard I have to get you out of the ground. Yes, my people. But a good thing we know we survive out here. We never know if we survive out here, my people. Hungry kill me, I tell you. There we are going to go night, you know, so I just go and watch how I go on. I'm going to soon when I go on the road, I go and head out to go down, so stay tuned. So yes, my people, see it, yeah? See that, you know. You see, as it done something else, I'm buried down there, so in the middle of the road. I try to go where you want to see it there. See that the people I jump off and off to go take on the miles to go back down on the road, so no just go on, watch where I go on. Alright, my peeps, I walk same way, still not see no bird on the way. Bird them just hide. You see me? Bird them just hide. Nah, see nothing. But anyway, I almost reach down to the road and now, because I don't know. I don't hill me I go now, so the walking become more easier to reach, you know. Journey become shorter through a downhill we are going, you know. Right? So right about now me just there. I go and go through and I head home, so watch where I go and if anything pop up on the way we make know see where I go on. But for now, I just there I try run the road like tire, so watch out my people. First ball plate this see my people, but miles me there from him. Can't get no close shot. Lord of God. Right as me see the first ball plate the rubber bus. So this